complex character. She's very possessive for her brother, and yeah. So and but she has love and hate relationship with him and with the family. She's very selfish girl and all. So these things doesn't match my actual personality, real personality. But otherwise, her love for makeup, clothes, and everything. So that's something very similar.
It's very unique. Like it's very amazing.
Yeah, yeah. And the credit goes to our stylist, Shivani Shali. She's really good at it.
So any scene you struggle to do?
Yeah, there. No, that was the easiest, I think. But yeah, sometimes it's just not your day. So it's not about the particular scene. Sometimes the most difficult scenes you do it very easily. But sometimes the most easiest scene are the most complex ones, which you don't expect. It's about day, how your day is going. Sometimes it's just not your day. It doesn't come from inside. And I think that happens with everyone. Like there, even where cricket is concerned, or sometimes it's just not your day. It doesn't mean you're not a good cricketer, you're not a good sports person, you're not a good performer. It's just not your day. So it keeps happening. Yeah.
So there was a scene like that in which Aryan fought for teddy bear and you went inside the teddy bear. तो आप असली में टेडी बेयर के अंदर गई थी या it was just a scene like that?
नहीं 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 मैं टेडी बेयर के अंदर गई थी. So it was a huge teddy, बड़ा सा टेडी था. उससे अंदर से कॉटन निकाल दिया था. So I went inside. And
Okay.
Yeah. हाँ, but
so your favorite your favorite character? Favorite character in Ishme Mazava?
Okay, other than Ishani?
Yeah.
Gangubai. Gangubai? Gangubai. No. I think Riddhima.
Haley is sitting beside you, that's why you're saying Riddhima.
No, no, no. Of course, Riddhima. I mean,
okay, your favorite?
Yeah, that's the strongest character. Not the loudest one, but the strongest one. So yeah. Haley.
Oh.
Yeah.
So your favorite?
What?
Favorite co-actor? Like you're working.
Haley.
I'm naked because Haley's sitting beside me.
I'm being paid for every time I say Haley. She's giving me 500 rupees. So Haley.
Okay. So what was the most funniest thing ever happened on set?
Haley, do you remember anything? Come see. Tell me. रोज होता है कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा कोई पर्टिकुलर ऐसा जोक नहीं क्रैक हुआ कि सब बहुत जोर जोर से हंसने लगे बट रोज कुछ ना कुछ होता है मतलब इट्स अ वेरी हैप्पी वाइब ऑन आवर सेट इट्स अ वेरी हैप्पी डे.
So what was the most weirdest thing happened on set?
What is it? साथ वाले रूम में कौन रहते हैं? Weirdest thing on set?
Yes.
तो हेली के ऊपर हमेशा पिजन पॉटी कर देते हैं. That's very true.
YouTube video, right?
हाँ.
Or YouTube video.
We just took the video one time, but it has happened earlier also. Like हेली pigeons somehow just love हेली. तो वो जहाँ भी खड़ी हो जाए उसके ऊपर पॉटी हो ही जाती है. That's very weird. और किसी के साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ पूरे सेट पे. और जब भी ऐसा होता है तो दादी बोलती है शुभ हो गया शुभ हो गया.
So what was the most memorable fan moment?
Fan moment. Yeah, I think so. What happens is कि when you are a model, no matter you know, even if you have walked for best of the designers, people don't recognize you. You are not a household name. That's just in India. Otherwise, if you see international models like Kendall Jenner or Gigi or Bella Hadid, they are so famous and they have a huge fan following, but not in India. So until unless I did not do. I had not done Ishq Mein Mar Jawan. People didn't know me. So I remember after like a month of doing the show, uh, तो I was jogging मेरे घर के नीचे और दो girls थी, young girls, they stopped me and they recognized me with the mask. तो मेरा mask था चेहरे पे and they said Chandni and then they were really sweet to say, they praised me a lot और उसके बाद मैंने मास्क ऊपर कर दिया पर आगे की जॉगिंग में रोते रोते ही कर रही थी. I mean, firsts are always special and it's a very small thing and I think कई लोगों के लिए बहुत छोटी बात होगी कि इतनी कर छोटी बात पे कौन रोता है, बट आई एम अ वेरी इमोशनल पर्सन. मुझे और फिर मैंने आके अपने एक्टर्स का हमारा जो ग्रुप है उस पर मैंने वॉइस नोट भी भेजा बिकॉज इट वाज वेरी इमोशनल फॉर मी. I lived for that moment and since childhood I have always dreamt of that thing. I have practiced autograph like since first grade, so yeah, I'm very filmy that way.
Then you give me your autograph one day if we ever met. Like we obviously meet someday.
Yeah. Sure.
Don't forget to give me.
Pakka.
So did you had any awkward moment while shooting?
What moment? Sorry.
Awkward moment while shooting.
Yeah. An awkward moment. Awkward moment.
I guess this was the awkward moment.
It is disturbing me. Awkward moment. I think so recently when we started doing the show for Boot, so that was the first time when romantic scenes started coming with Angre and our track like that. मैंने कभी ऐसा किया ही नहीं है, मतलब कैमरा के सामने या कुछ ऐसा, so it was a little awkward, but then Zen is very sweet and Zen is very sweet and तो वो सब I was comfortable with him, but थोड़ा awkward होता है, मतलब in front of 50 people you are doing a love scene, so yeah.
So how's the shooting of IMMJ going in Goa?
It's nice, it's fun, it feels like a picnic and everyone is so close, so that's the best part of our show कि the cast is so good कि किसी में भी ऐसे ego clashes और ये सब नहीं है. Everyone is so close to each other. Yeah, it's like a big family. We are having a good time in Goa, but at the same time we feel blessed कि ऐसी situation इस time current situation इतनी बुरी हालत है, in the world is facing such a huge pandemic situation and yeah, so we are also worried और हम news देखते हैं तो we talk about it even on at the dinner table we discuss about this thing, but let's hope कि ये जल्दी end हो जाए and we get back to normal life and we come back to Mumbai and start shooting at our set. But otherwise Goa is fun. We are just shooting at one complex. We are taking all the precautions. We are not going out at all. We are not meeting any outsiders so that we are safe and yeah.
So is there any idea like कितने दिनों तक shooting चलेगी गोवा में?
शूटिंग क्या कुछ कह नहीं सकते हैं कितने दिनों तक चलेगी, अभी सिचुएशन ऐसी है कि we can't say anything. We cannot predict कि कल गवर्नमेंट क्या रूल्स निकालती है या क्या, we cannot predict anything.
So is there some major difference between the shooting in Mumbai and in Goa?
Not really. वहाँ हम एक सेट पे कर रहे थे, यहाँ हम एक होटल में कर रहे हैं. वहाँ भी हम लोग भी थे, हम आउटसाइडर्स को, क्योंकि जब से हमने शूट स्टार्ट किया है शो का तब से ऑलमोस्ट तभी से ये सब होने लग गया, कोविड आ गया. तो अभी भी हम वैसे कर रहे हैं, हम एक होटल में शूट. इट्स ओनली अस, इट्स ओनली वी दैट वी आर नॉट एंटरटेनिंग एनीवन फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, सो इट फील्स लाइक अ सेट ओनली. बस थोड़ा जगह चेंज हो गई, द वेदर इज सेम. सो
if someone must be coming to meet you, your fans, so you're not meeting them at all?
No, we cannot. We don't want to spread it. We don't know ki we
who is positive and
possible enough. Yeah. So yes.
Okay. So how is your bond with Haley and Rahul?
Haley and Rahul. Haley is my best friend here, and in very less time we came very close, and I think this friendship is gonna continue forever and ever. It's very genuine relationship. Haley, शायद ये अभी बदलनी पड़े. और राहुल, Rahul is also very sweet. Rahul is very sweet, and he's like my elder brother.
Okay. So can you tell something about the new entry in IMMJ?
A new entry in IMMJ. That's a surprise. You have to watch the show for it, and that's a surprise, and I'm sure you'll love it. She's a very sweet girl, and she's here to steal hearts.
So अभी मैंने दूसरे टाइमिंग डाले थे, like 7 o'clock you're coming in live with me. There are many people who are getting very angry that इसमें मजा होगा, time is time पे क्यों live होता है, and all. There are so many, like I got and I was like, oh my god, what's this? Like I am also like I'll go after the live and watch the show. I was
on good now, so कोई भी time पे देख सकते हैं.
anytime, right?
Yeah.
So your reaction when you got to know that you are going to be a part of INNJ?
I was excited, I was happy, and yeah, that's about it. But now I think I took the right decision at the right time, and I'm glad to be a part of Vishnu Marzala.
So what was your reaction on the hashtag Ishangre and on whatever edits your fan made?
It's very sweet, yeah, very sweet gesture, and I'm really thankful to people who take out so much time and do the edits, and they're so sweet. It's really sweet of them, and I'll always be thankful for them for making Ishangre a favorite couple amongst the audience.
Yes. So what was your most embarrassing childhood memory?
There are many. अभी मुझे कुछ याद मैं घर से बहुत भागती थी. मैं ये अभी आज ही मैं बता रही थी सबको कि मुझे लगता था कि भाग के हीरोइन बनते हैं. पता नहीं मुझमें ये किसने डाला था. तो मैं थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड में भाग गई थी घर से. बट मैं एक घंटे बाद मेरा भाई मुझे वापस ले आया था थप्पड़ मार मार के. और मैं 100 रुपीज लेके भागी थी. So I think, और जब मुझे मेरा भाई मार मार के ला रहा था तो सारे पड़ोसी देख रहे थे. I think that was the most embarrassing situation. मैं बिना हीरोइन बने काफी फेमस हो गई थी अपनी कॉलोनी में.
तो मतलब आप भागे क्यों थे? For going Mumbai or going somewhere?
मुंबई. मुझे पता भी नहीं था कैसे जाना है. How will I reach? I was in 3rd standard, but ठीक है.
What's your most weirdest secret?
Do you think I'll tell it on a live stream?
No, I don't think you're going to tell. But do you have any?
Everyone has. I think if someone says I don't have, he or she's lying. Everyone has a secret.
Yes. Okay, so there's one fun segment for you. That is, guess the Ishani Rai Singhania's dialogue from its English translation.
I have to do the Hindi translation of the English dialogue, or
English translation of Ishani Rai Singhania's dialogue, and you have to tell me the real original dialogue, like, or the real Hindi dialogue.
Okay.
Do that? Okay. So the first one is, I can afford to do whatever I want, but you, even if you are sold, you cannot fulfill this law.
मैं अगर चाहूँ तो
जो चाहे अफोर्ड कर सकती हूँ.
चाहे अफोर्ड कर सकती हूँ, पर अगर तुम बिक भी जाओगी ना तो भी इस नुकसान को पूरा नहीं कर सकती. That's
you remember this
episode? Yeah, from the first episode. जब वो मेरी ड्रेस खराब हो जाती है, yeah, when I throw the champagne on. Yeah.
So the second one is, she doesn't have a status to join a relation with my brother.
उसकी औकात नहीं है कि मेरे भाई से रिश्ता रखे.
रिश्ता जोड़े.
हाँ.
Yes. So the third one is, I am damn sure that she herself must be feeling uncomfortable in these expensive designer clothes.
I'm sure कि वो खुद uncomfortable feel कर रही होगी in महंगे designer कपड़े. When she walks down the aisle और उसका संगीत होता है. Yeah.
So the fourth one is, your surprise has gone in the buffoon. What are you doing? Just make me run away from here.
Yeah, sorry.
Your surprise has gone in the buffoon. What are you doing? Just make me run away from here.
ये कब बोला है मैंने? I don't know. Is this my dialogue?
आर्यन को बोला था शादी वाले टाइम पे जब वो टेडी लेके आया था. इससे ज्यादा मैं नहीं बताऊंगी.
पता नहीं. I don't remember this. This is so weird. Otherwise,
तुम्हारा सरप्राइज के बाहर में मैं क्या कर रहे हो तुम, भगाओ मुझे यहाँ से, ऐसी कुछ था.
पता नहीं, ये मुझे बिल्कुल भी याद नहीं है.
जब वो टेडी लेके आया था आपने उसको बोला था कि तुम्हारा क्या सरप्राइज है, इफ यू रिमेम्बर.
नहीं, हाँ, इस सिचुएशन पे ये डायलॉग फिट उठता है, बट आई डोंट रिमेम्बर एग्जैक्टली कि मैं कहाँ खड़ी हुई थी. जैसे मुझे प्रीवियस डायलॉग याद था कि रिद्धिमा वाज वॉकिंग डाउन द आइल, ये वो. सो या, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर.
Okay, so the last one is, this is my brother's work. He has a habit of playing with such dangers. This danger is common.
ये भाई के लिए, भाई का काम है और मुझे पता है. आई डोंट नो, ये मैंने अभी बोला था जब
Some recent dialogue.
ही बोला था और स्टडी रूम में बोला था ये.
Yes.
जब वो टेंशन में
ये
घूम रही होती है और
काम
मैं
है. इससे खतरों से खेलने की आदत है उन्हें.
हाँ.
ये खतरे आम.
हम्म.
So we are done with all the questions.
Okay. Nice.
Okay, so I have a question from you. Can I talk to Haley if possible?
Haley is not here now. She's gone for her scene. She's shooting today.
Can you ask her to reply me, as I also want to take her interview?
I'll ask her regarding this.
Reply me now.
ठीक है. I don't know. It's on her, but I'll tell her.
Okay, just tell her, okay, please.
Yeah.
I'll text you if you forget anything in case.
Yeah.
So, we are done.
Okay.
Shall we end this live? It was amazing talking to you. Very sweet.
Thank you, Mobby. Thank you so much.
लगता नहीं है that you will be so sweet, but you know you're very sweet.
So sweet. Thank you so much यार. Last में जाते जाते तुमने बचा दी.
The on-screen Shani का जो character है, that is very much, you know, attitude वाला and all.
तभी I made sure that I sit without makeup. I'm not wearing any makeup. I'm not wearing my blue lenses to give you that feel. I wanted to be Chandni while I'm talking to you and the fans. So
Chandni is very sweet. Like Chandni is really very sweet. Like
I'm chilling in my pajamas and sitting in my room because I didn't want to dress up and sit for it. So, yeah.
Okay. So it was amazing talking to you. I would like to end this live now.
Okay. Bye. Thank you so much.
Bye. Thank you for joining in live with me. Lots of love to you.
Thank you so much. Love to all. Bye. And please take care.
Yes, surely.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
I hope I'll talk to you again.